Good morning students, I am Miss Ankita, your social science teacher for class 7. So as we have started chapter number 1 of history, so now let us continue with the topic new changes in the medieval period. Okay? So students, as we were discussing about the new changes in the medieval period, right? So what I said you in the previous class, it was that in this period there was great mobility. What is mobility? I told you all, it is movement of group of people. Now why did they travel? For the purpose of in the search of economic and political opportunities, that is basically for employment opportunities. Okay, now I told you that I will give you the definition of subcontinent. Now what is subcontinent? You can write a subcontinent is a big geographical Subcontinent is a big geographical unit which stands out distinctly from the rest of the continent. A subcontinent is a big geographical unit which stands out distinctly from the rest of the continent. Okay, as I told you all that people in the historic period, in the medieval period, they started living along the bank of the river, but when the population started growing, as the population increased, then the existence of people was increasing, so they started living even away from the banks. Okay, so that away from the banks area is the subcontinent. Okay, now one group of people who became important in this period were the Rajputs. Now here they are talking about the Rajputs, a name derived from Rajputra, that is the son of a ruler, that is a son of a king. Okay, now other group of people such as Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Ahoms and Kaistas, a caste of scribes and secretaries. Okay, Kaistas is the caste of scribes and secretaries. Okay, also used the opportunities of the age to become politically important. As these Rajputs, they were very much active under the political opportunities. Okay, so here they are basically talking about the ruling power of the Rajputs. Okay, but the conditions of women in the when the Rajputs were ruling was very worse. Okay, was very worse, as there were more and more of child marriage, sati system, the parda system and other abuses were also being practiced in the society. Okay, and even in the medieval period, Islam religions was spreading very fast in all parts of India. Okay, now see the second point. Throughout this period, there was a gradual clearing of forests. Now, the forests were cleared. Now, why will the forest will be cleared? Obviously, for the purpose of agriculture. A change faster and more complete in some area than in others. Okay. Now, changes in their habitat forced many forest dwellers to migrate. Now, the people who were living in forest, just because of clearing of the forest, the habitat was disturbed and this made them to migrate from that places, and others started tilling the land and became peasants. Okay, and many of the people, they started becoming peasants. Okay, now in the next video I will start with point number 3. Okay, so please do the reading for all the parts which I am doing. Okay, and you will also read till point number 4 and be ready for the next video. Okay, thank you.